Hey everyone, Carl, Track 13 News. Thanks for watching. Please remember, if you like my videos, please subscribe, and then don't forget to hit the bell. The bell actually notifies you when new videos come out from my channel. So I've got a batch of parts from GPM, and they graciously sent them out for a review and testing, and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to break these up into 4 videos, so if you like what you see, click the next one, watch those, and after I get them all installed, we'll drive the Kraton like it's stolen and see how durable they are. This video, we'll review and take a look at the suspension carriers. I've got the front upper and the front and rear.
All right, so I have a Arrma Kraton version 2 that I have brand new, and I'm just going through and putting hop-up parts in it. I've already, so this is the front diff. It's already greased, refilled. That's a Voltage Hobbies shock tower. These are the GPM shock mounts. And so, anyway, what I'm going to put in are all the suspension assemblies, or the suspension carriers. This one is the upper. This one has been kind of sought after for a while, and it goes right there in the front, right above that front plate. Goes underneath there, and it should be pretty nice. I've stripped out a few of those. So that one comes with some stainless steel hardware and a sticker. And then over here, we've got the lower rear, and it looks like we've got essentially some nylon ball inserts, and I'm assuming these fit well. Got a whole suspension rod, fits nice and snug, even has a little bit of suction there, so that's a good sign. And then this is the front. Again, stainless steel hardware. Isn't that nice? It's even got FF. So it's got front rear, front, right rear, or rear front, rear. And is this labeled? I don't see that one labeled. So, pretty excited. We're going to put these in. They look great initially. So, stay tuned.